Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math.
I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about markup, discount, and tax. We're finding the selling price of each item. So, if I was given this item, the cost of shoes is $29.95. The markup is 20%, and we have a tax here of 2%. Okay? Well, the first thing let's deal with is the markup. Okay? We have $29.95 as the cost of those shoes, and we multiply that by 1.2. Okay? That shows a 20% markup. Okay? The 0.2 being that 20%, and 1 keeps the cost the same, right? The initial cost there. That comes out to be $35.94. Okay? Now we take that $39.94 and we apply tax to it. So we take $35.94. Okay. $35.94. And we multiply that by 1.02, and that's going to be the tax of 2%. Okay, this gives us an overall price, ending price, of $36.66. The cost of a microscope is $269.95. Its markup is 43%, and its tax is 5%. Okay? Well, what I want to do now, okay, so tax 5%, as I start now with the initial cost, that $269.55, and I'm going to multiply that by 1.43. That represents a 43% markup. This gives us an answer of $386.03. Okay? Then we have to deal with the tax. We take that $386.03 and multiply that by a 5% increase for the tax. So 1.05 represents that. And we get an answer here of $405.33. And that's our final sale of price right on the microscope. The cost of a goldfish is $3.45. Its markup is 29%, and its tax is 2%. We got 2% tax there. Okay? Well, what I want to do now, so I first start with the cost of the goldfish, $3.45, and I'm going to multiply that by 1.29, which represents a 29% markup. This gives us $4.45 as our answer there, the cost of the markup, right? Or after the markup, but then we apply tax to that. So then we take that $4.45, and to apply a 2% tax, we multiply that by 1.02. This gives us a final answer of $4.54. Okay? Cost of shoes are $99.99. Its markup is 9%, okay? And tax here is 4%. We have 4% tax, okay? So let's start with the cost of the shoes. $99.99. These shoes have a 9% markup, so we multiply that by 1.09, and that represents a 9% markup. This gives us an after cost of markup, or price, of $108.99. Okay? Then from there we have tax of 4%. So we take the $108.99 and we multiply that by 1.04, okay? That 1.04 represents the 4% tax, okay? And so we have a final answer of $113.35. The cost of a shirt is $14.95. Its markup is 25%, and its discount is 45%. Okay? So we have a markup and a discount. Okay? So first we'll start dealing with that markup. We have the cost of the shirt is $14.95, and we're going to multiply that by 1.25. Okay? That represents a markup of 25, and we have an $18.69 here. Okay? Now a 45% discount represents, really we only pay, we'll take 100 minus 45, right? 100%, whoops, minus 45%, and that gives us 55%. Okay? That means we're going to pay 55% of that final price, or that price right there that we found. So we take the $18.69 and multiply that by 55% as a decimal is 0.55, and that gives me a final answer of $10.28. Okay? The cost of a CD is $23.50. Okay? Its markup is 63%, and its discount is 50%. Okay? Well, first we start with the cost of the CD. We take that cost of $23.50, and we're going to multiply that by 1.63. Okay, that shows our 63% markup. That gives us a value of $38.31. Okay, now they tell us we have a 50% discount, and so if we take 100% minus 50%, that leaves us with 50%. Easy calculation. But what this 50% represents is we're going to pay 50% of that price after the markup here. Okay, so we take that $38.31 and multiply that by 50% as a decimal, 0.5, and that gives us a final sale price of the CD of $19.15. Now, who really gets CDs, all right, anymore? I don't. Anyway, the cost of a puppy, it better be a cute puppy. I guess it doesn't matter, all puppies are cute, is $349.99. Its markup is 41%, and its discount is 23%. 23% discount there, okay? So, we first take the cost of the puppy, okay, $349.99, and multiply that by 1.41, okay, which represents our 41% markup there, okay? This gives us a value of $493.49, okay? Now, to calculate the discount, we take 100% and we subtract the discount of 23%. That gives us a 77% of that price that we're going to pay, okay? That's how we do our calculation. So we take the $493.49 and multiply that by 77% as a decimal, 0.77. This gives us a final answer here of $379.98. The cost of an oil change, and that cost is $19.95. It has a markup of 85%, okay, and a discount of 48%, okay? Well, first we take the cost of the oil change, $19.95. And we're going to multiply that by the markup of 85%. And that is 1.85, okay? This gives us an after markup cost, or price, of $36.91. Now, they say we have a discount of 48%. So to calculate that, take 100% minus the discount, 48%, and that equals 52%. That means we're paying 52%, okay, 52% of the after markup cost, okay? So we take the after markup cost of $36.91 and multiply that by 52% as a decimal, 0.52. And that gives us a final sale price of $19.19. All right? The original price of a microphone is $20. $20. Okay? We have a discount of 42%, and we have a tax on top of that, which is 6%. Okay? Well, first thing we want to do is we need to calculate this discount. Okay? Well, 100% minus 42% gives us a 58%. That means the discount is 58% of the price of the microphone, $20, okay? So we take that $20 and multiply that by the decimal, right? Multiply the decimal of 58% is 0.58. This gives us a cost of $11, or price $11.60, okay? Now we calculate the tax. We take that $11.60 and multiply that by 1.06, and this gives us a final sale price of $12.30. The original price of a jacket is $269.50. Okay? It's discounted of 24%, and its tax is 6%. Okay? Well, the discount of 24%, right? 100% minus 24%. We take that discount, we subtract it from 100, and we get 76%. That means we're going to pay 76% of the original price of the jacket. So to get that in number terms, we take $269.50 and multiply that by 76% as a decimal, 1.76, and get a value of $204.82. Okay? Now we can calculate our tax on that. Well, we take $204.82 and multiply that by 1.06, okay? 1.06. That represents a 6% tax and includes their price, or their cost, right? Or, sorry, price, yeah, after discount, which comes out to be a $217.11. The original price of a lizard is $39.99. Its discount is 40%, and we have a tax of 6%. Okay? Well, first we start with the original price of the lizard, $39.95, and we apply that 40% discount. Well, a 40% discount, if we took 100% and minus that 40%, that gives us a 60%, which means we're going to pay 60% of that original price. So we calculate that by taking $39.99 and multiplying that by 60% as a decimal, 0.6. Okay? That comes out to be a $23.99 price. Okay? Now we apply our tax. So we take that $23.99 and we multiply that by 1.06. Okay? 6% tax. This gives us a final price of $25.30. It's a decimal there. 43 cents. All right. The original price of a microphone is $49.99. Okay, and its discount is 5%, and we have a tax that's also 5% as well. Okay, well, first we take the original price and we apply our 5% discount. Well, a 5% discount, if we take 100% minus 5%, that 5% discount really means we pay 95% of the original price, okay? So to calculate that, original price, $49.99, and we multiply 95% as a decimal, 0.95. This gives us a cost or price here of $47.49, okay? And then now we're going to have a 5% tax on top of that. So we take $47.49 and multiply that by 1.05, 5% tax. This comes out to be $49.87. The cost of a hat is $10.50. We got a markup here, a markup of 10%, and we got a discount of 40%, and we have a tax of 5%. Okay, got a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, first step, we take the $10.50 and we apply the markup of 10%. So we multiply that by 1.10, okay, or just 1.1. That represents a 10% markup. This gives us a markup price of $11.55. Now, a 40% discount, if we take 100% minus that 40% discount, that means we pay 60% of the after markup cost, right? So that $11.55, we have to multiply that by 0.6, 60% as a decimal. This comes out to be $6.93, okay? Now we apply the tax. Well, $6.93 times a 5% tax, or 1.05, gives us an after-tax price and discount and markup, all that stuff together, of $7.28. The cost of a pen is $1.95. Its markup is 70%. Its discount is 40%, and its tax is 5%. Okay? Well, first we start with the cost of the pen, right? And we apply a 70% markup. So we take the $1.95 and multiply that by 70% markup as a decimal, 0.7. Oh, sorry, not 0.7. 1.7. I got ahead of myself. Markup here. Markup of 1.7, okay? Or 7 up, right? That comes out to be 3.32. Now, here's a quick learning lesson. That one is very important. That allows us to keep the pen and then include that 70% markup, all right? So $3.32 is the cost after the markup, okay? Now we got to apply the discount. Well, 40% discount, we want to find how much of the original price we're going to pay with the 40% discount. So we take 100% minus 40%, and that gives us a 60%. So we're going to pay 60% of that, and that's how we get the 40% discount. So we take the $3.32 and multiply that by our 60%, right? That percent of that we're going to pay as a decimal, 0.6, which comes out to be a $1.99, okay? Now we got to pay taxes. Can't forget to pay your taxes. So we take the $1.99 and multiply that by Okay, I'm really not good at writing love here. Multiply that by 1.05. 1.05 represents a 5% tax. It gives us a final answer of $2.09. All right. Cost of a computer game is $4.99. Okay, its markup is 40%, and its discount is 55%, and its tax is 1%. Okay. Well, the first thing here is I look at the cost of the computer game. Okay, and I have to apply that 40% markup. So we take the cost of the computer game, $4.99. I'm going to multiply that by 1.40. That shows me that 40% markup. This gives us an after markup cost or price of $6.99. Now we have to apply the discount of 55%. We take 100% minus the 55%, which is a discount, and that lets us know that we're going to pay 45% of this price, $6.99. So we take the $6.99 and we multiply that by 45% as a decimal, 0.45, which gives us an after discount price of $3.15. But now we got to apply that 1% tax. Don't forget it. All right. So we take that $3.15 and multiply that by 1.01, which represents a 1% tax and encompasses the final cost there of $3.18. And so there is our final selling price of the computer game. Cost of a hat. Okay, cost of a hat is $31.50. Now its markup is 35%. Its discount is 30%, and its tax here is 1%. Okay. Well, first we take the cost of the hat, the cat in the hat, the cost of the hat, and multiply by its markup of 35%. Decimal 1.35. That's how we multiply our markup here. Okay, that comes out to be a $42.53. Now, they say we have a 30% discount. So what I do here is take 100% minus the 30%, and what that allows me to show is that I'm going to pay 70% of the $42.53. So the discount of 30%, we converted that to say we're going to pay 70% of this amount here. Okay, multiply that out. We have $42.53, and multiply that by 0.7, 70% as a decimal. That gives us a cost or price of $29.77. Then from there, we have to apply our tax. So we take the $29.77 and multiply that by 1.01. And we're left with a final answer after all discount, markups, and tax, not in that order necessarily, of $30.07. All right?
Minute Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math. Minute Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math. MinuteMathTutor.com.